10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, good morning, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. So as you see it around, is a change of scenery. Because right now, you know what we're there? We're there on the rock. You see what I say? And you don't know we have to keep the vlog going. People, before we even start the video and thing and explain to you, we are begging you to like the video them, share the video them, just run way up to the 1,000 sub. Yeah, support the cause. Yeah, because we need it, people. You understand? So just run it up to the 1,000 sub. Yeah.
Yeah, my people, you don't know, so we're there on the work. As you can see, the back up there work.
I excavate that, brother.
Yeah, my people, as you can see, we're there on the work. As you see the excavator up there work. And you know, so it's a new scenery, but you know, everywhere we go, we have to continue a journey because a Jamaica lifestyle, Black TV, and guess what go on? Food still a go cook. Vibe still a go there, because this is day one, you know. And about 7 days out of adventure we are going. And the journey continue longer and we have enough more to do, but you know we still have to touch the river and things. But guess what I want to ask you now? We're on a journey to 1,000k. And we're asking you, please, and I beg you, to bring we up to 1,000k. Share up the video them, send it to your friends, your family. You don't know, so one go in the YouTube team now, whatever what. 3,000 watchers or so. So we are telling you, watch the video them to the end and you don't know, say, ads are running at them too. No, go and watch the ads them and thing. Just bring it to it. But we have a journey for you today and just travel with it. Come in.
So yes, my beautiful peeps again, so I want to see what go on around here, so cause here so we are going to turn and I want to look around. You know, restaurant, you see me? So some jerking can go on here, so and, you know, some local thing. You see what I say? And you don't know the thing, you see it? Yeah man, so it's a day one our project, you know, people. So I want to stay in tune and see what go on. You see what I say? Because you don't know. Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV out here. And you don't know, we need the sub them people. You see me, I have a lot of people, them just watch a video but them not sub. So people who just sub, ring the notification bell, share the video them. You understand what I say? Because we're there to keep on entertain and satisfy. So Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV, stay in tune people. Yes people, so as you see like, we're up on top of the hill, you know, on top of the construction, yeah. So we just look around. You know, get used to the place, as I say, we are there for a little while and, you know, do a little thing, cooking and go on. People, the time I we spend here, so I go epic in people. So I want to stay tuned. Remember, share the video them. You get what I say, subscribe if you haven't. So if viewers them now, we want you to subscribe. 1K journey with the fun people. So support the thing, you understand what I say? Yeah. Yes, people, so we reach a papa tree. You see what I say? So, I'm going to educate you to look about the papa tree, you know, because you see now, you see how them look puny, and you see how the tree look puny. It's because it can track a disease. So, if the camera go up at the head of the papa tree, you notice, so yo, up there so kind of fine. So you don't call that pick out the head, eat out. You see me, so the disease do that. So, see them papa here now? It can track while, the disease can track while them small. So them are not really going to come to nothing. You see what I say? So we see our next papa tree down there, so we'll take a look on it and see if stand a better chance. You understand? Yeah. So we are good on there, go check out that one there. it you know people. This have a disease too. Cause I tell you before, so you're looking at the head of the tree and you see it. So you see how the head, papa tree head to turn out. So you see it. If you look on the leaf them as well, you see it? It have a disease. See them black there. You get me? So it starts from when you can't see it until it fully contract. But if you sip on them or even upon the fruit, you see it too. You understand? So yeah. But them here, them I don't mean so them are going to feel, cause as you see it, them dip on the size already. But the problem with it now, it now go sweet and, you know, fat and juicy as usual. But them here we turn ripe. So if we debut when it ripe, we show you what go on. You understand what I say? Yeah. So people, remember, it's a family channel as well. Educated as well. You see what I say on a favorite channel. You see it people. We're there. Stay tuned. Yes, peeps. What is this? Say no more. You know if we famous spice this, you know. Great pepper elder, people. You hear? Pepper elder. You know a few thing this, my peeps. We put this on everything. So the tree is small still. That means some bigger one must be about. So you know, so this morning Chris Paul said, oh, we not seen a pepper elder tree. And I say, yo, we must there. So we have to go find with spice as well, you know, people. Because you don't know another video, yeah. On the first day, something off a chef up. You understand? Something off a chef up. So, don't know. We are going to search for a bigger tree. You see me? Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. So we find a bigger tree. It's not so big, but, you know, see, there are more than one of them. So we can go and use half of this one until we find a bigger one. But as you see, yeah, man, I feel we spice this, so we have to protect it up. Take off them whisk off of it. It will it don't make it now sprout up properly, you know, but it's a nice size tree, people. You don't know. What if a cooking I go on? I know enough of one no know, say yo. Pepper elder, you know. The things are flavor, you know, my people. You understand? Isn't it? So, see what I go on here? Yeah, man. Remember, you know, big up my Dante, you know. Junior lifestyle of fishing. The youth that ever support the thing. Ever give it the strength. Hidden Beauty TV as well. You see, my yard life is nice. Yo, yeah, man, I'm going to tell you, say, yo, give thanks to him strength. You see me? You don't know. Him with me and sponsor throughout everything. So, Uncle Steve, say no more. You don't know the thing. Go. You see me? Don't know. Jessica Cargill as well. Want to check her out and big her up to you. See me? Nice lady. Yeah? We drop a collab soon, so you don't know the thing. Go. Yeah, man. Yes, people, so as I see we reach our next tree, we're famous spice, you know, people. We're at it, see it, yeah? Yeah, man. Them, well, me learn something, the berries, them we call them, you know.
All
we
spice.
just learn, you don't
Call
know.
them all spice,
so
the berries.
So berries grew up on the pimento tree. So where there,
Yeah, that's
we are all a reason, Kim. And she said, what's that leaf you put in it? And I said, pimento leaf. And she said, she was with a Spanish person that day, you understand? A Spanish friend, and that is Kim from New York. She featured in one of our videos then. You get what I say? So she said, it named pepper, what name peppermint, pepperberry?
Peppermint, but
Peppermint.
the correct name is peppercorn.
Yeah, peppercorn, yeah. That's the right name I'm looking for. So she made me know where this name, because you know you have the scientific name for everything, you see me?
And the correct name
so
is
it's peppercorn, you understand, son? And these are the berry. So me know say it's a berry too.
Originated from Eva, Spanish country.
So she, you see me? Educate me upon that. Because normally, mother say, go pick some pimento leaf, we are going to cook crab, you know what I say, you know? What we don't say, pimento leaf, you look a jerk, you know, or whatever, you see me?
We use the
So
berries
you don't
put
know.
in the rice.
You know them are crush up and put pan meat and thing, you see it? So we call them a pimento seed in Jamaica, you see what I say? So thanks skin for educate upon that, you see what I say? Because you never too late to learn.
Correct name for them
Yeah,
are
man.
berries.
Peppercorn. So you don't know I got people. So we are get to some work, get to some cooking, so you don't know the thing. Got people big up on the stay in tune, you hear? Yeah. Yeah, man. So right now we are going to look for some breakfast before we start the work. So here we are going to go on now, people. See a one banana. We are going to drop it. You know what I say? Put on some for ripe. I like a ripened banana, but ripened banana nice. You fry it too. You see what I say? It's not ripe yet, you know, but it's a ripened banana. Get me? So, you know, come people, I could show you what I go on. You see me? Yeah, but people, reach up there, you know. Try to get down the tree to weed. Yeah, this a banana, you fat me people. Oh my God. I don't want to drop still, you know. Yeah, man, the banana, the well full people. You see me? Well full banana on all the fun. So we have to try to get down that tree. You have to bow, look, you see me? See, it's a mighty big banana tree, you know. You see me? So the nice back kind of broke, so you don't know people. So you see that? Mighty full. Yeah man, so we find all a snail upon it. You see me? Yeah man, a big one. I don't know where him upon here eat. I know another banana, you see me? So probably him take it as a home or in refuge, you see me? So put him one side and go in merry ways, you know? Back to our thing, you see it? Yeah man. How much on the on it, my peeps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on my count. I don't know if I miss none to it set. But when we on it up, we know still, you see me? So fry two of them after some breakfast, you know? You don't know you go put for ripe and you know we are going to boil too. Would have go now a unique style with banana too. You don't know what thing, you know. Have to invent something in our head with this, you see me? So this I going to give you a couple videos. You see it people while you're there. So as you always say, stay tuned and say no more. Yeah man. So, okay, I feel like see me? I'm on so I know level you know, you see me? we have one of the bad survivor pot them for drop on it in a people. You see me? So yeah man. We look a fire side that we look some stick, you see me? So don't know where I go. Yeah man, so people see I start the fire here now, you know? Can't do itch no way, you know, cause you don't know what time is on us. So don't know where I go. This must blaze, you know, so watch yourself, you know, first. See me? Watch yourself, madam. Oh, gas. Watch yourself, madam. Oh, gas. I know gas. Oh. Yeah. Now you're talking my language. From the fire part, the fire part now. Yeah, it are the parts we quick off ripe, but are the tougher parts, so tougher banana them, so them good for frying, you know. Tell you, see the tough people. Yeah man, so we are take from the fire part. Yeah. You say crisp, but that's enough? Oh.
Food that you do, people. Eat.
Yeah man, so you see that people. Get some man from the far apart. You see me? See as we say we put some of them off ripe. Cook some of them. Bust a bad style one of them, you know. Figure out what we are gonna do as we say with the bad style, but you know? But fry some banana, you know. Yeah man, people say no more. Uncle Steve! Oh, you can't wait, you know, madam, but don't worry yourself. Don't know if family link up coming soon. Yeah man. People them favorite channel, you know? Boy, I'm not lie, if I'm with you, we don't get no problem with no fire, though.
A good while now, yes.
Fire them a fire, you know? Fire them a fire from with you, but I then take a coat.
Fire them a fire.
Get in there. So people, don't judge you, we are going to try a new style, you know, you see it? So, we are try fry banana in our skin and see how it tastes, you see me? We just a sample it, you know, so we are just try it with the one, yeah, and see what go on, you see me? If it fail, we make you know. If it don't, you get me? So we just try with one first, so look how we are dealing with it, the people, you see me? Yeah, man. Wash him off, you see it? Just a test run we are giving the piece. See it? Cut off down there, so. Cut it so you see it, my people. Yeah, man. Cut again. So we just test it so and see how it come out, you see me? You don't know, you know. Catch it, man, and know, so yeah. So we add some salt to it. Don't know, you know. This is a new style we are trying. And style can't what?
Spoil.
Alright. Say no more. I like that. Yeah man, I like. You don't know. You don't laugh, you know. Yeah So if we have a try penetrate the skin, if the skin can boil it must can fry because you don't know it go. So we have to keep it on as long as possible so make it fry crisp. See it there? The thing drop down in the oil. Man, so that's just a test people, so back to the real thing, you know, you see it? Meanwhile them there get together. I want to get in some have to try see them on skin to press them if anything. But we figure out a way how to press them without the skin because you see the skin at break. Yeah? But the original bush life still, although you don't know upon the side to that still, but yeah man. Get this together, you know. Yeah, people, so we are make a turn you know. Alright? Them boys just a test, you know, people. Assessment, you know. To see if the skin in line with the banana. You understand? And fire go on. As you see, the skin are kind of broke up, so I chew it when you get a solid skin, you use it, you see it? See ya. Do it, man, people.
It come along, you know, but guess what? Time alone can't tell.
Yeah, we are telling you, people, not be afraid to try new things. Isn't it?
I'm not afraid to comment and tell you what you think.
Yeah, man.
Also.
Remember, people, we need the 1,000 subscribers. Yeah? You don't know it go. So I just want to share up the thing, people. All the viewers them never subscribe before they subscribe. Is it? Yeah, man. Most appreciated. Is it? So some of them here too, you know, people. You can go on, you know. Them go on, you know. You know, so them the video based on the young guy when I test, so I to flip that one, you know, and see how the skin. Wow! You see that? Look like say it's a success, my peeps. You don't know yet still, as I say. Gotta keep it on some more. Yeah. See how he eat upon them. Want to see how best we can get out the skin, isn't it? So, yeah, man, as you see it there, them well fry, you know. So we make a next turn, put them at them one here where we are going to press them in some oil more, isn't it? Yeah, man. Not the fire all I get too bad on them to my peeps. I'm on the people like the fire. I tell you the fire, them a fire from where they you know so. Get burned, you know? So see that now? get them out, you know. Them the well fried. If them wanna reach pressing level, you know. The knife go through them easy. Whoa, but guess what now, you know? Plate are too soft, you know, my people. Them on the plate are melt. So that like it will go pose a problem. But don't know we know how to fix everything. Yeah? So see, I whole of the banana this in a bit. So we take out, you know. So yeah, them, you know. Don't know where going, bro.
So, don't know, so we love experimenting, and it's a new thing, you know.
How his skin go?
People me still can't buy through his skin, so it come like
No work.
nah go work with his skin, but we try again one other time, yeah.
Try that one out with the thinner skin. One out with thinner skin. Experimenting on people, so you don't know. So that one them I could get a close up. Man have a thinner skin.
That one I work people. See ya?
The man the skin that it does too thick. You see your skin in the first one skin?
No,
That
not
means
just
you
a
fry
skin.
out them.
Fry up, but it's just too thick. That one I work though.
Yeah man. So we don't know people. We not try again, we don't. But you don't know I go, you see it? Yeah man. Well, skin no work with you people.
See there? When it's too thick, skin no work people.
Take off the skin, you get me? Just that way, you see me? So, focus back on what we are focused on, you see it? The whole heap of banana. Don't know how we say food that we eat in a place. See it? Let's go. So, we make a presser here now, you see me? Press them banana, you see me? Press out them banana here. Now press them too flat car. Really want them, you know? Break up. So, turning in our podcast, I say the fire, so have to keep them monitor, you know? Monitored. So, kind of more softer than plant, because I don't think it the neck for take pressing, you know. They will break easily, so you have to deal with them tender, you know, fragile. So same thing, can't rough them. Point ready.
Yeah, my people. Banana look like a planting there in a pot.
Ooh.
Same thing with black seed I tell you, Nina people. Softer than the planting.
Yeah man, so we have put the seasoning in the pot. Heat the pot well up my people. Yeah man, don't mind it cause I go kinda shake cause I have to have the device in my hand while I turn it cause crisp step well look a bit for really that thing, but yeah man. Seasoning in a pot my people, so the onion, scallion, thyme and the tomato, isn't it? Mash up this with some sardine, isn't it? Yeah man. Don't know emotion already, you see it? So I go on this seasoning in a pot, my people. Yeah man. So I see it now, my peeps. Sorry when I never get to see so come on. Showing the sardine now, isn't it? And then the sardine in the pot. Yes man. Sardine that's in a pot, my people. Yeah man people, we never see crispy reach back here now, so don't know where you go now. Can freely do what we are doing now. See it? We have a one. Can you find? Have a one all purpose, you know? See a coat the clean look and we don't know where you go. Yeah man. Just a bit. Think that's good. Yeah. Big people food them and I'm a people. A child's plate. Sardine, you want to cook up look. Yeah man, so share some food my people. See me? Don't know enough food I fi eat, so you know, laugh with food. Yeah man. And with that, eating time my people, you this in a crisp. Don't know where you go. Yeah. Never tell a lie. A big boss, yeah, left over left there. Like when Jesus feed the people with the one bread. Left over left. You see me? Get 2 drinks left out, I one for me, one for Crespo, you know, don't know where you go. Get speed, man. So I don't know. Crespo lamp on this. Yeah, man. Say no more, my people.
Unfortunately, I don't know, so I live on diet, so that's Pepsi alone me I drink today, you see me? You believe that food of eat, and we say food of eat, you know, people. See where blacks are go out with my morning. Tastes like a plantain. Why people want to talk to you about go and eat some food.
So here we are going to go on, my people. We are going to go some boom, so eat some food, then we are showing you a little bit of work. Yeah. And then we just bust our outro and think all the device battery get low too, so you don't know a thing or so. Now we get in line with the food and then we get back to you, you see it, so. Yeah man, you hear that. So soon and soon you get the outro and see the work, you see it, so. That's how the people, you see it. So, what it say, we are showing you some of the work done, so here we go on now. So we go on now people. Pave, we have a pave off the front of your say, you see me? Yeah, man. Pave, we have a pave off the front and now so I saw it go. But as I tell you before, the device battery low. So we are going to save it off and show you when it finish pave off, you understand? Yeah man. Oh, we can use the other camera still, so no problem, so yeah. So look now people. Gonna see the after. Yeah man people, so you see where the project work reach. Pave, we are pave off down here, so run up some line and thing, you see me, so I don't know because I said the battery low, so out of the video and done, you see me?
Yeah my people, let's see what we do from morning and we'll finish up the rest of the work. Easy enough come and they're telling you, say, as the blacks are telling you, it's a nice restaurant we have put there. We want to put a small bar there, you see the people?
Yeah,
so you know what things set already. Thanks for watching and remember people, you want to reach it out first. So you want to subscribe, share the video, share it to everybody who you know and make them subscribe and like up the thing. Because they don't know so on the favorite channel, Jamaica Lifestyle, what? Black TV, and we do outfit today, day 2 tomorrow, you know. And remember,